Hi everyone, my name is Ayanda from South Africa. Today I'll be teaching on how to tell time in Zulu. Umzuzwana. Umzuzwana. Umzuzwana means second. Umzuzu. Umzuzu. Umzuzu means minute. Ihora. Ihora. Ihora means hour. Usuku. Usuku. Usuku means day. Isonto. Isonto. Isonto means week. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The link is right down below.